got the Christmas explosion effect.
Cracking her up.
Now hear this.
Any more for me? Any more for me?
Hi.
No more for me.
You're pootying in my lap.
I'm glad it didn't
She's
scare
laughing and
anyone.
pootying.
There's another one, Eleanor.
Is that loud?
Oh my gosh.
Except,
So
I mean,
awesome.
It's among the cutest things you've ever heard.
Oh.
All my grandchildren have adorable laughs.
Hi.
Eleanor likes that. Do
Yeah.
you?
She thought that was funny.
They were like, did it sound like fireworks? Yeah, they did. Did you get all that?